Good morning, everyone. Ethan Stieber here with Stieber Weather Forecasting. It is about 10 a.m. on this Saturday, April 6th, as I am recording this video. We've got several things to talk about. We're going to start with some rain chances for tomorrow. We're going to look at the weekend forecast, temperature-wise. We're looking at a fantastic three-day weekend, and we're going to talk about that all-important cloud cover forecast for the eclipse. Let's dive right in. First off, with the storms coming in tomorrow, we do see a little bit of rain, convective activity coming in tomorrow. This has a very marginal risk for severe weather attached to it for everyone along and south of I-70. Main threats of this look to be a very low severe wind and severe hail probability is what's driving that marginal risk. Again, a marginal risk is only a 5% chance of severe weather, so nothing major out of this, but still enough to warrant me to tell you about it. So let's time this out for you on future radar. We're going to pick this up at midnight tonight. Notice there's this big storm system off to our northwest in the northern plains, and it's going to kind of drive this frontal boundary through. But if I back this up a little bit, notice it is a lot stronger. It will be a lot stronger today in places like Nebraska and Kansas. But as we go through the overnight hours and on into the day tomorrow, it's going to weaken significantly as it moves into our area. So again, pick this up at midnight tonight as we go hour by hour into the future. Here we go through the morning. Everything in the morning looks to be pretty good tomorrow for all your morning church services. And we will stop this at noon on Sunday, noon tomorrow. Notice there could be some broken showers and thunderstorms, broken line of showers and thunderstorms off to our west, say along that I-57 corridor, give or take. By 2 p.m., those storms have now kind of started to move into the area. Again, damaging wind and hail look to be the very low threats out of this. Again, a marginal risk, so we're not looking at anything major out of this. We're not looking to see a big severe weather outbreak like we had Monday night into Tuesday across portions just south of the area. But we are looking to see some scattered showers and thunderstorms in here Sunday afternoon. So again, 2 p.m. by 3, 4 o'clock, those storms are starting to work off to our east. 5 o'clock, 6 o'clock, 7 o'clock, those storms have really moved off to our east and are out of the way, setting us up for a great eclipse day forecast. So let's talk temperatures really quick for this weekend. It's going to be a beautiful weekend, folks. Forecast high temperatures for today look to be in the upper 50s across most of the area. You notice about 55 to 57 across the area for tomorrow, or for today rather. Tonight, overnight lows look to dip down. Not too bad. It's going to be not quite as chilly as it has been the last couple nights. Lows in the lower 40s for tomorrow. Highs rebound tomorrow quite nicely. Maybe there may be some of us that push the 60-degree mark tomorrow. As those storms move through, they'll cool us down just a little bit. With our low temperatures Sunday night, still staying moderate. Right around that 50-degree mark. That's going to allow us to really rebound for Monday. Notice temperatures. Here's forecast map for temperatures on Monday. We may very well be around that 70 to 75 degree mark across the entire area for Monday rather. It was Monday's forecast. So Monday looks to be a fantastic day for eclipse viewing. Here's two different forecast models. We're looking at cloud cover. Cloud cover is going to be the biggest story for us here in Southeastern Illinois to watch this eclipse, as most of us are in the path of totality for this. So this first model is forecast for 2 p.m. On Monday afternoon. This is right as the eclipse is getting ready to start. The totality is getting ready to start in our neck of the woods. Notice reds are good. Reds show clear skies with clear skies, nothing obstructing. Any of this white in this model is cloud cover. Notice 2 p.m. on Monday from this particular American model shows we're in the clear. We will have pretty good viewing of the eclipse, maybe a passing cloud or two, but overall clear skies for the eclipse viewing. If we look at a different model, this is now the Canadian model. Again, at 2 p.m. on Monday afternoon, it paints a very similar picture. We may see a few clouds along that I-70 corridor is what it suggests, but most of us are in the clear here in Southeast Illinois to view that eclipse. So right now, forecast is looking good. I'll keep you updated as we get a little bit closer to the closer to Monday, closer to the eclipse event. Make sure if you go outside and watch the eclipse, have a pair of those eclipse glasses. It's super important if you're going to be looking at the sun for any amount of time. During actual totality, you can take your glasses off and look around. It's a really neat experience if you have not experienced an eclipse before. But make sure anytime out of that 4-minute window that eclipse isn't, or that the totality is not happening, put those glasses back on to look at the sun. We'll end this video by talking a little bit about the temperature and precip outlooks for the remainder of much of the month. Here's the 6 to 10 day temperature probability from the Climate Prediction Center. It keeps us a little bit above average here in our neck of the woods. The 14 day goes out till Friday, April 19th. Gets us through the middle of the month, still keeping us warmer than average. As precip with the 6 to 10 day, we're about equal chances to maybe slightly above average through the 15th, and through the 19th, maybe slightly below average. So good news for farmers wanting to get out into the fields. We're about ready to really see an influx of traffic out in the fields from all that farm equipment. So again, just to recap, temperatures look great this weekend. If you have any outdoor activities, Monday looks to be the best day of the 3-day weekend, with highs pushing that 75-degree mark. Could see some scattered showers in here tomorrow afternoon, say between about that noon to about 7 p.m. time frame. These storms don't look to be overly severe, but if anything does turn severe, I will pass it along to you. So that's what I got. Stay tuned for updates as we get closer to the eclipse, and I will see you in the next video.